Rounding up the hundreds. A fun dive into rounding large numbers. Hello, English learners. Today we are exploring a crucial math concept within the English language: rounding large numbers. Specifically, we'll learn about rounding to the nearest hundred. This is not just useful in math, but it also helps in everyday life, when estimating costs, dealing with money, or making quick calculations. Don't worry if it sounds complicated now. We'll break it down and make it fun and easy. Before we dive into rounding, it's essential to understand large numbers and their place values. In any number, each digit has a place value, depending on its position. For example, in the number 3,456, 3 is in the thousands place, 4 is in the hundreds place, 5 is in the tens place, and 6 is in the ones place. Remember, every 3 digits from right to left represent a new place value: ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and so on. Rounding is a method to simplify numbers, making them easier to understand, especially when exactness isn't necessary. When we round to the nearest hundred, we look at the tens place of the number. If it's 5 or above, we round up the hundreds place by 1. If it's 4 or less, we keep the hundreds place as it is. The number now ends in 2 zeros, as we round down all the digits after the hundreds place to 0. Let's try to round some numbers to the nearest hundred. Example 1. Number 763. The tens place is 6, which is more than 5. So, we round up the hundreds place, 7 becomes 8, and the number becomes 800. Example 2. Number 432. The tens place is 3, which is less than 5. So, the hundreds place stays the same, 4, and the number becomes 400. Practice with more numbers. Remember, it's all about looking at the tens place. And there you have it. That was all about rounding large numbers to the nearest hundred. With practice, this will become second nature. Always remember to look at the tens place and decide whether to round up or keep the same. Keep practicing, and you'll become a master at rounding in no time. We hope you found this lesson helpful, and we'll see you in the next one. Happy learning!